Congratulations, champ! You did it! Now the big question is for SSC students, what after 10th? What next? I have got a good news for you, which will solve all your doubts. Let's get rolling. There are many career paths you can pursue after completing your 10th SSC. Diploma in Digital Marketing. This diploma teaches you about market research and evaluation and how to gain an understanding of targeted customers. Diploma in Business Administration. This diploma can help you transition into the business world. Diploma in Fashion Technology. This diploma is perfect for creatives who want to join the fashion industry. Certificate in Cosmetology and Health. This certificate can help you become a licensed beauty therapist. Diploma in Graphic Designing. This diploma can help you turn your passion for art into a career. Diploma in Hotel Management. This diploma is a great start for those who want to join the hotel industry. Diploma in Civil Engineering. This diploma is as good as a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. Diploma in Information Technology. This diploma can help you land jobs in the IT industry. Other options are also there, like career counselling, professional advice. Seek guidance from career counselors who can provide insights based on your aptitude and interests. Workshops and seminars. Attend career workshops and seminars to learn about various fields and professions. Last, but not the least, discuss with family and mentors. Family discussion. Talk to your family about your interests and aspirations. They can provide support and guidance. Mental guidance. Seek advice from teachers and mentors who know your academic strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right stream after the 10th SSC is a crucial decision that can shape your future career. Take time to assess your interests and strengths, research thoroughly, seek professional guidance, and discuss with your family and mentors. Making an informed decision will help you pursue a fulfilling and successful career path.